Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. Today I want to explain about how to apply the maintenance to protect our computer from other attack. First of all, what is computer virus? A computer virus, much like a flu virus, is designed to spread from host to host and has the ability to replicate itself. Similarly, in the same way that flu viruses cannot reproduce without a host cell, computer viruses cannot reproduce and spread without programming such as file and document. In more technical terms, a computer virus is a type of malicious code or program written to alter the way a computer operates and is designed to spread from one computer to another. A virus operates by inserting or attaching itself to a legitimate program or document that supports macros in order to execute its code. In the process, a virus has the potential to cause unexpected or damaging aspects, such as harming the system software by corrupting or destroying data. How does a computer virus attack? Once a virus has successfully attached to a program file or document, the virus will lie dormant until circumstances cause the computer or device to execute its codes. In order for a virus to infect your computer, you have to run the infected program, which in turn causes the virus code to be executed. This means that a virus can remain dormant on your computer without showing major signs or symptoms. However, once the virus infects your computer, the virus can infect other computers on the same network, stealing password or data, logging keystrokes, corrupting files, spamming your email contacts, and even taking over your machine are just some of the devastating and irritating things a virus can do. How do computer viruses spread? In a constantly connected world, you can contract a computer virus in many ways, some more obvious than others. Virus can be spread through email and text message, attachment, internet file downloads, and social media scam links. Your mobile device and smartphones can become infected with mobile viruses through shady app downloads. Viruses can hide these goods as attachment of socially shareable content such as funny image, greeting cards, or audio and video files. To avoid contact with a virus, it's important to exercise caution when surfing the web, downloading files, and opening links or attachments. To help stay safe, never download text or email attachment that you're not expecting, or file from websites you don't trust.
Today I would like to explain about the worms. Okay, first of all, a computer worm is a type of malware that can spread copies of itself from one computer to another computer. Second, a worm also can replicate itself without any human interaction. Okay, I also like to explain how does it works in our computer. First, a worm can modify and can delete file, and they can even inject additional malicious software into our computer. Second, worm also can steal our data, install a backdoor, and allow a hacker to gain control over a computer and its system settings. Nowadays, one of the famous worm is Stuxnet. Then, at the same time, I also like to share how to protect our computer from worms. First, be sure your computer operating system and application up to date with the latest version. Second, be sure to invest a strong internet security software solution that can help block these risks. These two steps are the steps that can be overcome our worms in our computer.
Okay, next, we move to one of virus type, which is Trojan. Trojan or Trojan horse is type of malware that is often disguised as legitimate software. Trojans can be employed by cyber thieves and hackers trying to gain access to users' system. Users are typically tricked by some form of social engineering into loading and executing Trojans on their systems. Once activated, Trojans on their system can enable cyber criminals to spy on you, steal your sensitive data, and gain backdoor access to your system. Next, this virus itself usually appears via the internet and also emails received by users. Through this media, Trojans infect users' computer. Therefore, you must be careful when accessing the internet or opening email, because this virus can steal valuable information that is on the computer. Judging from the way it works, Trojan itself is actually not a type of virus, but because the nature of this Trojan interferes with computer performance, so many people classify it as one type of computer virus. The example of type of Trojan is backdoor, exploit, rootkit, Trojan banker, and Trojan spy. And how to overcome this Trojan virus is, users often use to clean Trojans from a computer is to use an antivirus that is made specifically for Trojan virus, such as Trojan remover or Trojan hunter. You can just use another antivirus specifically for Trojans other than those mentioned above.
Okay, I want to talk about common communication encryption type. First is hash encoding, symmetry encryption, and asymmetry encryption. Encoding may transform data into the other formatting using a scheme that is publicly available so that it can be easily be reversed. Hashing is meant to protect or keep data such as a string, password usually, or file secure. Encryption is a process of transforming information using an algorithm. Hash encoding or hashing ensures that messages are not corrupted or tampered during transmission. Hashes use a mathematical function to create a numeric value that is unique to a data. Example, secure hash algorithm, SHA, message digest files MD5, and data encryption, standard DES. Symmetry encryption involves only one secret key to cheaper and decipher information. It uses a secret key that either be a number of words or a string or a random letter. It's a blend with a plain text of a message to change of content in a particular way. The sender or recipient should know the secret key that is used to encrypt and decrypt all the messages. Asymmetric encryption, also known as public key cryptography, uses a public and private key to encrypt and decrypt data. The keys are simply large numbers that have been paired together but are not identical asymmetric. One key in the pair can be shared with everyone is called the public key. Thank you.
Next, Windows Firewall is a Microsoft Windows application that filters information coming to your system from the internet and blocking potentially harmful programs. The software blocks most programs from communication through the firewall. Users simply add a program to the list of allowed programs to allow it to communicate through the firewall. When using a public network, Windows Firewall can also secure the system by blocking all unsolicited attempts to connect to your computer. How to turn Windows Firewall on or off is Windows Firewall allow you to customize setting for both private and public network. You can also turn the software on or off. First step, go to the search bar and type firewall and click enter. Second, select Windows Firewall. Third, turn Windows Firewall on or off, and that is all.